524, welcome back. Whooping cough infections are surging, and the CDC is reporting that Pennsylvania has the highest number of cases across the nation. Fox 43's Anaya Falcon shares what's causing the spread and how to protect your family.
A contagious bacterial infection is spreading across the Commonwealth. Pertussis, generally known as whooping cough, has infected more than 2,165 people in Pennsylvania as of late September. UPMC's infectious disease specialist says he's seeing the most cases in high schools.
Once there's an outbreak, especially in a place like a school where there are lots of people packed together, it spreads quickly.
He says this outbreak is partly due to bad luck. Another factor is a lack of vaccinations.
The immunity from vaccinations is probably waning, and we've also seen a lot of people who are very vaccine hesitant. And so there are lower rates of vaccination.
Whooping cough symptoms, which normally last 1 to 2 weeks, include coughing fits, sneezing, and a low fever. Kids or people with pre-existing conditions that have the infection are more likely to end up in the hospital. For young children 1 to 2 years of age, it can be deadly. Dr. Goldman says people need to get their pertussis booster vaccines to slow down the infection.
If your kids haven't had their booster at age 10 or 11, they need to get them. There's a lot in the schools. And if you are an adult who's never had one, you should get one. And if you're a pregnant woman, you need to get one with every pregnancy later in pregnancy.
He also says antibiotics will shorten the illness and will prevent you from being as contagious. But if you had whooping cough for more than a few weeks, the antibiotics won't help. Dr. Goldman says we can slow down the spread with some work.
We need an awareness in the community so that when cases do occur, they're recognized. We can appropriately isolate them. And you can also, at times, if you know someone has been exposed to pertussis and they aren't sick, you can give them antibiotics before they get sick.
Anaya Falcon,
3, 2, 1.
Fox 43 News.